Hello, I'm Eli Stacy, and today I'd like to show you this powerful combination of the VBox Slow-Mo and RefBox application for a single operator to create multi-camera picture-in-picture replays with the ability to zoom in on any of the angles. First, let's look at the workflow, then we'll go into its operation. Let's get started. As we can see from this workflow diagram, this single operator would be working with two touchscreens, with one running the Slow-Mo application and the other running the RefBox application, along with the network-connected replay controller. With both applications connected to the back-end server, the VBox will have three outputs available to the rest of the production: two program outputs from the standard replay, as well as the RefBox output. Let's see how we would operate in this workflow. As you can see, the remote will have synced control across both interfaces. As the operator jogs on the replay angles, the RefBox and Slow-Mo applications are being controlled together. The T-bar can also be used to control playout speed on both interfaces. For the normal replay operation, the operator would be working in the VBox Slow-Mo mode. As the game action happens, the operator can create a cue point for replays and playback to the two main program outputs. Here we can cue two angles and can roll them individually, starting a replay angle on program 1 and another angle on program 2. Or we can cue up the same angles and roll the first angle from program 1 and dissolve to additional angles. A new feature within the VBox Slow-Mo is incorporating picture-in-picture directly from the replay program 1 output. For a quick replay showing the embedded clock, the operator can quickly cue the main angle on program 1 along with the clock on program 2. Then we enable link speed and link jog and turn on the pip and roll the replay showing the shot clock in sync with the rest of the video. Here we can see that he was able to make the shot before the buzzer went off. But now let's imagine this same scenario, but we want to show multiple synced angles and the embedded clock. We also want to zoom into the area to highlight the action. As the operator controls both interfaces, they can now quickly move to the RefBox UI and select two good angles. We can then put those angles to full screen, where we can pinch and zoom on any of them. The clock is already positioned at the bottom, but can be moved as needed. We can now see two angles playing out in sync with zoom and the clock to show he got the shot before the buzzer went off. And this is what it looks like on the RefBox SDI output. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the Slow-Mo and RefBox application or the VBox platform, there's information on our website.